Alright, listen up. You guys are all here for one reason and one reason only. To be a part of the best fraternity in the universe. Kappa Delta Coda.
KFC!
Yeah!
KFC!
Anyways, you guys gotta listen to everything I say. If I say jump,
You say how high?
Yeah.
if I say run,
You say how far?
Far.
and if I say chug,
You better chug.
Chug.
you guys got that? Yes, sir. What did you say, chicken?
What did he say to you?
Bagog.
You're damn right! Woo!
Bagog.
Yeah! Yeah, we're on!
Yeah!
You guys gotta want this. You guys gotta want to be a part of Kappa Delta Coda.
Kappa Delta Coda.
It's a good job, Clever.
Good job.
Do you bitches have what it takes to be a part of Kappa Delta Coda?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's start a series of tests to see who's the best of the best.
Woo! Yeah!
Clever, go get number one.
Oh!
Woo! That's one for one. You're out one. Get out of here. Number two. Oh! Awesome! 2 for 2. Get out. Number 3, Clever. Oh! Wow. Move. Again, Clever. Again. Oh! I like this.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, chicken. It looks like it's just you. Let's start the rush.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Let's go, chicken.
Oh, Jesus, chicken. This chicken's got game. Come on, chicken.
What are you doing? You got one more in you.
One more.
One more shot.
He's one. Oh. Oh. You throw up scrambled eggs. Yo, you see that? You threw up scrambled eggs. Woo! Clever, eat it. Eat some, Clever. Oh! Does it taste good?
It's scrambled.
Oh! You throw some dinner.
Yo, chicken, get over there.
Hey, why did the chicken cross the road?
Because I told him to, bitch!
What can it do? Baby chicken. We're gonna kill some baby chickens. It's gonna be funny.
Okay, Brian.
All right, how do you like a little bit of chicken genocide?
Yeah, chicken genocide. You want, look at this.
Yo, chicken! We're playing chicken with a chicken! Yo, gun it!
Some party.
Hey, did
Yo,
you see those?
Did you see the chicken nuggets on that?
Yeah, Clover. Yeah, Clover.
Speaking of where's chicken?
Yo, let's go find chicken.
Go find chicken. Let's go.
Yo, chicken!
Chicken!
Yo, chicken!
Chicken!
Yo.
Aw, chicken.
He's choking the chicken.
Oh, man. Oh, no, chicken. Come on, Clover.
Yo, chicken! Check out these wheels. Ooh, chicken's challenging us. Yo, chicken, check out our sound system. Yo, play that stuff. Oh! 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 What do you got now, chicken? Oh, chicken's got something. Chicken's got something.
Chicken, you faced a hard, long road filled with many challenges and many obstacles. And you faced many ridiculous things that somehow related to being a chicken. You're so clever.
Yeah.
But you did them all, man. So we're gonna welcome you to KFC. Yo, we want some scrambled eggs. Get to work. Yeah.